Okay, so today's look is from the band Lunacy, which came out in the very late 80s, I'm pretty sure, like 89. And they're like one of the most successful visual kei bands of like all time. They made it huge. And in around 2000, they like quit for a bit. And then in like 2010, they're like, oh, let's get back together and make like alternative rock. So that's what they did. Today's look is specifically from the music video Deja Vu, which I will link in the corner because it's good and it made me love them, and now I listen to them a lot because I like them a lot, obviously. Why would I do a makeup video if I didn't like the band? Anyway, still. So go check that out. Do it. It's fun. And today I'm wearing some foundation because I think I owe it to y'all that this look gets some foundation instead of my normal non-foundation look. Anyway, let's get into the makeup. Alright, so eyebrow time. Going in with that eyeshadow powder nonsense in the front, making it a little pointy, bringing it not so much down, but just a little bit. So let's go in a little bit. And then I kind of bring it out just so I have like a very gentle guideline. Just a little pointy. Just a little bit. If you don't have no eyebrows like I do, I don't know. Go for it. Just do what you want, honestly. So now we going in with the pencil. We're going in with the pencil. Just going to... We're not going only like one straight line. We're actually going to have like a curve at the end. More, I'm trying to mimic the singer's more natural brows, essentially, but still have them be like pretty sharp. Not extremely sharp, just pretty sharp. They look really goofy before I put in the bottom line, honestly. They look like that grandma you want to avoid in the store because you know if you look at her wrong, she'll just come over and whip your ass. Just kind of tapering it off the end. You don't want to go too far into your hairline or too far down, otherwise it makes it look droopy. And the only reason I keep raising and lowering my eyebrows is so I make sure that everything is filled in, no matter if I have my eyebrows expressive or non-expressive. Now we're going in with a darker color because, once again, my hair is black in some areas, but if you're ballsy enough, you could just do gel from beginning to end. Like, if you're like that, go for it. But I'm a scaredy cat. I like going in with pencil first. For the eyeshadow, we're gonna do something similar to my first video, which is going all the way up to the brow bone and then bringing it back down, but this time it's gonna be a lighter color, so it's a lot of application unless you put like a white base underneath, but I felt like it didn't need a white base because it was supposed to be more, not really subtle, but like not that bright either. Like, it's bright, but it's not bright with a white base kind of bright. And the good thing is if something looks uneven, you can't really quite tell because it's so light. Also, I'm bringing it underneath my eyebrow, but not really into the corners of the eyes. I'm going in with a darker color now. Not that much darker. I think I went in with like a cornflower blue. So it's like a little bit more pigmented, but not darker, just a bit more pigmented, essentially. But you can get creative with any other color if you want. And I brought it underneath my eyes just a tad, not like far down, just a little bit. Now I'm going in with like a navy blue type color because I'm gonna be putting it underneath my, like under my eyelid and then in the crease of my eye. But like I said, you don't want it like too far down. This is basically acting more as like a guideline for what you're gonna do with the eyeliner. And with the eyeliner, we'll get there, but there's two wings actually, and having a good like guideline really helps make everything look a bit more even. Now we going in on the other side, but all it is really just making sure that you put even amounts on both sides. You're not really looking to like darken the crap out of it quite yet. You're just making good guidelines and making it look more coherent and actually on your face rather than just one color. And I pulled it up a little bit and out just so it helps frame my brow bone a bit better. I went in with this weird blue shiny color. It doesn't really end up very shiny. It was just slightly darker, I guess. It didn't really do much, but you know. I went in with this white shimmer. It didn't really show up on camera very well, but it showed up in real life very nicely. Put a little in the corners of my eyes to help open it up a little bit. And underneath my eyebrows because you can't get enough of that highlighting every single feature on your eyes and eyebrows. So I'm going in with a black eyeshadow. The specific brand I'll put in the description. I was just darkening this area a bit better to make it more cohesive and blend it in. And now I'm going in with eyeliner on my waterline and on the insides of my eye corners. And what I'm doing here is I'm putting the first wing, the top wing, and pulling that out. And then the bottom wing will be connected to the kind of like the lower line. And I'm just kind of bringing that line over the lid, and then I realized, oh god, that's a bad idea. And then I went in with a thinner brush because sometimes eyeliner's hard. And sometimes you just need to like go in with a really, really angled brush to make it look like it's eyeliner, but it's not actually eyeliner. It's just a very, very dark eyeshadow. I lined all the under areas of my eyes to be completely black, but not like thick, just like the waterline. To your time. To your time. And I kind of brought in the eyeliner a little bit too much, but you know, that's okay, it's just preference. We just going in with the nice corner lines in the crease of the area. And if you're scared of doing the eyeliner at first, I personally always like going in with an angled brush with the darker color. That way I can just like go over it like a light sketch layer. And if you have hooded lids, if you mess up, it'll be fine. You'll be fine. Going in with that mascara, because you can't ever get enough of mascara. I think I can, though. Personally. Also, I say if you use any other color other than light blue, like light green or a very gentle pink or orange. I think it'll be totes good. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. I think I pulled off this look fairly alright. I mean, eyebrows may not be for everyone, but I think they look pretty cool, especially with my ponytail for today, and my nice mullet is still there. I mean, you can use like a light gray or whatever. I think any light color would do well. Maybe not dark color. That's a whole different look entirely. More on the goth spectrum than whatever the hell this is. I mean, you know, it's for whoever. It's for me, it's for you, it's for whoever. Mostly the singer of this band. Anyway, go listen to Lunacy. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more of videos like these. Leave a comment if you have a comment. Thanks.